our last video, we discussed about how to insert a video file. Let us check out now how to delete it. This is how a video file will be displayed in a normal mode. If it is a slideshow, it starts playing it, but if it is a normal mode, it displays inserted file in this manner. It displays it like a black window. To delete, you will have to select this black window and press delete key from your keyboard. Then the inserted video file will be deleted from your presentation. This is the way of inserting video file. This is how we can insert a video file, and in the same pattern, with the same procedure, we even can insert an audio file, the sound file. Let us check out the next option called design, which is quite important. Design option is used to design. By design, we mean changing the color combination of your slide, of your presentation. There are some ready-made patterns available. There are some ready-made designs available. You will have to select the design that you like, that you wish to apply, and click on it. And the selected pattern will be applied. Selected design will be applied to the slides. Let me go to any of these designs and right click on it. When you right click on any of the design, you'll get is different options. We will have to deal with first two options. The first option applies the selected design to all the available slides in your presentation, or in case you wish to apply designs only to selected slides, select then the second option called apply to selected slides. Let us have a look at the difference between apply to all slides and to apply to selected slides. Let me select the first slide. Let me select any of these patterns, any of these designs, right click on it and apply to all slides. Then the selected design will be applied to all the available slides. Let me now select again slide number 1 and some different design. Let me now click on the second option called apply to selected slides. As you can notice, only the design of slide number 1 had changed. Why? Because I had selected only slide number 1, then I selected the option called apply to selected slides. So this is how we can apply designs. As you can see, design is nothing but different color combination of slides. You can apply design either to all the slides or to the selected slides. Of course, you can further change the color combinations by clicking on it. You can change the fonts which are available by default, and you can change the effects, wherein if you have inserted an image or a graph or a smart art, size of the border or the pattern of the border will change. You can change the background styles as well. There are some textures available. You can select any of the textures that you like. You can see soon I select any of the texture, the background design of your slide will change. So this is about the design tab. Also with design tab, we have is other option called slide orientation, wherein we have only two options available. We can have is portrait, where the height is more than the width, or we can have is landscape, where the width is more than the height. According to the data that you have, according to the information that you will be displaying, you can select either portrait or you can select is landscape. By default, the slide orientation will be landscape. Please remember, by default, slide orientation in MS PowerPoint will be landscape. Let us move forward to the next one. One of the most important options that we have is animations. In our next video, we will discuss about the options that we have with animations.